So let's add and subtract fractions. I love the title of this worksheet because it sounds like so exciting. And then you're like, yeah, let's go ahead and add and subtract fractions. Okay? All right. This looks similar to the one we did the other day, doesn't it? Except we were multiplying and dividing fractions then, right? It gives us like just a regular fraction, and we talk about the steps, and then we do something with rational expressions. That's kind of what I mean, and it looks like the one we did the other day. Okay? So we're going to actually follow similar steps to the one we did the other day. Okay? So what do? 3/7 plus 2/7. Why can we add the numerators? Because the denominators are the same, we can just add the numerators. Okay? And what we get is 5/7. So what's funny about the steps is, what steps are we going to have? If we have a common denominator, then add the numerators. And because the title is so exciting, we're going to do this. Okay. Is that good? Okay. So what if I have a rational expression that looks like this first one here? What can I do? If I have a common denominator, add the numerators. What do I get when I add the numerators? That's so close. 2 plus x over x minus 4. And then I can cancel out my x's, right? Why not? Good, they're not factors, they're not multiplied. Okay? And that's it, guys, that's it. We're done. So what about this one? If I have common denominators, just add the numerators. Now wait, why didn't I end up with 2x plus or minus 8 up here? Oh, I keep the same denominator. Is that what you're telling me? The answer, even if these are exactly the same, then the answer denominator is exactly the same as well? Good. Okay, so what should this denominator be then? Very good. Because I didn't end up with 14 over here, did I? I just ended up with 7. Okay? So how do I add the numerators here? Whoa, where'd you get 7x? Oh, so I'm like combining like terms? Like I've been doing since what, 4th grade? No, probably not that low. Maybe, I think it's probably like 7th, maybe. Okay, so for sure those 7x, right? Negative 3 plus 7 plus 4. Done. Questions? Okay. So how is number 2 different? So how are the steps different? So you're telling me that the only difference is that it's subtraction. And so my steps should say, if we have a common denominator, subtract. Oh, subtract the numerators, right? Yeah, that one's deserving of 2 smiley faces. Maybe not, but we're going to pretend like it does, okay? So what happens here? I'm going to trick you. Are you ready? Okay, so what happens here? What's the denominator? We can fill that in pretty easily, can't we? Okay. What's the numerator? But it's 11 and 9, so shouldn't it be 20? Oh, wait, but it only says 2x plus 11 minus x plus 9. So I'm subtracting everything on this fraction. So I'm saying 2x minus x is x. And I'm saying 11 minus 9. See, I couldn't even trick you even when I tried. Good job. But now I can cancel out the x's. Why not? Good. They're not factors. So what about the second example here? If the denominators are the same, let's go ahead and write it. Get it out of the way, right? Okay. So what is x minus 9x? Negative 8x. So again, we're arguing about the numbers, right? 3 minus negative 7? What is 3 minus negative 7? 3 minus negative 7?